Welcome to Power Wash. This fun, wet, and silly paradise has captured a piece of our hearts, and we are so excited to bring you this brand new update. First timers, have no fear. Just look for Ashenized talking heads with instructions. You'll also find exclamation points to help guide you to upgrades. Grab your favorite colored power washer, soak the box to find out what's underneath, and then clean all that filthy gunk off the car. Don't forget to upgrade often, as you'll quickly multiply your cleaning power. You may notice that you can reach new heights or low lows. Just give our cabinet ruler a spray. This is fun and laughter you won't soon forget. Next, we overhauled the car loading system to use world streaming, a powerful new feature enabling us to add many new vehicles. We've already more than doubled the number of washable car types. Your washer got a few major updates. Notably, it now has a spray and mist visual effect, and when spraying, you will only feel haptics when cleaning gunk off the car. This will help you identify and find hidden gunk that still needs to be cleaned. We also wanted to give some recognition to our biggest fans, so we created a ranking system. Be on the lookout for rank up effects, with each rank having a special title and color applied to your name tag. But it doesn't stop there. We also reward you with a special skin for your power washer. Check out this new UI today and see which ones you instantly unlocked with your past progress and new ones to unlock right around the corner. We've implemented texture previewing on both the color painting and reskinning UIs. This subtle detail makes customizing your pressure washer so much easier and satisfying. We can't believe how high your numbers in Power Wash have gotten. You'll now notice we have updated big numbers to be displayed with a K, M, B, or T to indicate it is in the thousands, millions, billions, or trillions. This should make pricing those high-level upgrades a lot easier. Speaking of high-level upgrades, you've been asking for a way to upgrade more than 10 levels at a time, and we are excited to announce that you can now upgrade up to 100,000 levels at a time. My jaw hit the floor when I saw some of you had reached power levels in the millions. That is so insane. Great job. The Boombox radio station volume has been lowered back to their original volumes. Apologize that we didn't catch that bug sooner. The same has been done for some of the other voice recording gizmos in the world. Going to check your stats? Meet your friendly avatar emoji, who may surprise you with funny faces from time to time. Whatever your playstyle, we hope you'll join us in celebrating so many awesome new updates in Power Wash. We'll see you in Horizon. Bye!